Spoken English conversation. Subscribe please.
V1 base form excel. V2 past form excelled. V3 past participle excelled. V4 present par, excelling. V5 SES IES excels. Question 1. What is the base form of the verb excel? Answer. The base form of the verb excel is excel. Question 2. What is the past form of the verb excel? Answer. The past form of the verb excel is excelled. Question 3. What is the past participle of the verb excel? Answer. The past participle of the verb excel is excelled. Question 4. What is the present participle of the verb excel? Answer. The present participle of the verb excel is excelling. Question 5. What is the third person singular SES eyes of the verb excel? Answer. The third person singular SES eyes of the verb excel is excels.
Verb prompts. Example sentences.
V1 She aims to excel in her studies. V2 He excelled in the last competition. V3 They have excelled in their respective fields. V4 The team is excelling in their performance this season. V5 He excels at problem solving.
Subscribe my channel.